Welcome. Today, we're diving into congruent statements in geometry. You'll often see something like, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. We're going to break down exactly what this means and why it's so important. First, let's talk about the word congruent. In geometry, it's a fancy way of saying two shapes are identical. They have the exact same size and the exact same shape. Even if one is rotated or flipped, its core properties remain the same, just like identical twins. This is the formal way we write that two shapes are congruent. The little symbol that looks like an equal sign with a squiggle on top means is congruent to. So this sentence reads, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. It's a powerful statement that tells us everything about these two triangles is identical. Now for the most critical part. The order of the letters in a congruent statement matters immensely. The first letter in the first triangle corresponds to the first letter in the second. The second letter corresponds to the second, and the third corresponds to the third. This order is the key to unlocking which parts of the triangles match up. Because the order tells us what matches, we can instantly know which angles are equal. Since A and D are listed first, angle A is congruent to angle D since B and E are second. Angle B is congruent to angle E, and since C and F are third, angle C is congruent to angle F. They are pairs of corresponding angles. The same rule applies to the sides. The side formed by the first two letters, a B, corresponds to the side formed by the first two letters in the other triangle. DE, the side from the second and third letters, BC, corresponds to side EF, and finally, the side from the third and first letters, CA, corresponds to side FD. Let's look at an example. If you're given that triangle PQR is congruent to triangle MNO, you can figure out all the matching parts without even seeing the triangles. The statement tells you that angle P matches angle M, angle Q matches angle N, and angle R matches angle O. Similarly, side PQ matches side MN, side QR matches side NO, and side RP matches side OM. Look at these two triangles, cat and dog. They are congruent. The correct statement is triangle CAT is congruent to triangle DOG. A statement like triangle CAT is congruent to triangle ODG would be incorrect. Why? Because it wrongly claims that angle C matches angle O and angle A matches angle D, which is not true. The order must reflect the actual corresponding parts. This concept is vital outside of the classroom. In architecture, engineering, and manufacturing, congruence ensures that parts can be made separately and still fit together perfectly. From building bridges to creating the graphics in a video game, making sure components are truly identical is essential. So let's recap the main points. First, congruent means identical in size and shape. Second, the order of the letters in a congruent statement is the most important clue. And third, that order tells you exactly which angles and which sides correspond between the two figures. Master this, and you've mastered a core concept in geometry.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.